Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hi guys, today we have this TELWIIN Tig 160. Problem is no output. I show you here. Just turn on the machine and you can see I fixed the meter lead and the voltage is showing only 13. It should be more. Let's open the machine. Here we open. You can visually inspect this machine and you can see the terminal is damaged. Here you can see clearly this terminal is damaged, and outside female terminal also damaged. You can see inside also. Yeah, inside you can see the both side terminal doesn't make proper connection, and other visually inspected machines are totally fine. You can see in the video. What we need to do is just we will remake that connection, and it's up to you how you can make from your side. Just use a copper bar to fix that thing. First open the connection from inside. This is both TIG and arc welding. You can see I just opened that. You can see I fixed that with the copper bar, and I changed the terminal also. You can clearly see soldering and everything. I fixed and one extra cable for safety to extra power, and now I just connect. You can see the output voltage is 97 volt DC output. Our machine is just fine now, and hope you guys to see my next video. Like my channel and subscribe.